Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ellis Mimi, and in today's video I'll be doing a Senagelese twist tutorial with you guys. I started off by greasing my client's scalp and detangling her hair. And when I braid, I like to section my my hair out between the front and the back, and then I just clip it up front. Also, as I'm prepping for each braid, I like to moisturize from the root to the tips so that your hair will still be fully moisturized even underneath your braids. So for this Senegalese method, I started out with braids. I did 2 to 3 knots, and then as you see coming up, I'll split the hair in half. And I'll twist the left strand counterclockwise and twist the right strand clockwise, and then I twist them. I bring my left hand over my right hand, and then I just keep twisting left over right. Over here I'll be showing you guys how I part with a clip. I find that parting with a clip makes the braiding process go faster for me. This is another close-up of me finishing off the braids in the front, and when I'm braiding I like to make my braids in the front a little bit bigger than the back, only to keep in mind of your edges and trying to take away so much tension from the braids being tight in the front. You can make your parts a little bit bigger. Here's another closer up angle of me doing the braid method. So I braid the root, braid down 2 to 3 knots. Then I separate the hair in half and twist my left strand counterclockwise and my right strand clockwise, and then I twist my left hand over my right hand and just keep going down until I complete the braid. And when I'm in the front, I like to tell my clients to hold the braid as I'm braiding the front, only to prevent from pulling as I'm braiding. This is probably the most important part of your braiding process, at least in my opinion. So I go back and I trim every single braid by itself and try to get as many flyaways as I can off the braid with the scissors. But this, honestly, I feel like it just pulls the style together and make your braids look more neater. And lastly, I'll dip the ends of the braids in hot water, and I'll do that from the ends going midway up the braids, and I make sure that I don't get the client's hair in the hot water. So I'll make sure that like the water goes only a little way up but not high enough to touch the client's real hair. This is the final look, guys. I only ended up using 4 packs of Expressions hair in this braiding process. In all, it took me about 6 hours for this style. Me and my client, we were talking a lot, and she's so silly. And we took an hour break for lunch, but this style really doesn't take long. And to me, it's way faster than braids. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys liked this tutorial, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.